Blah.
No way.
Blah. Oh look, somebody's riding in the sky. The hell does that say? Way to ride in front of the sun.
Dude, that's crazy.
Yo.
What is that? Probably about 300 feet?
Dude, it's almost as tall as the eye. The eye is 400 feet. So yeah, I'd probably say, dude, that is insane, man. I mean, I bet it's crazy fun up there, but...
Oh yeah, probably feels good up there.
Right?
Yeah.
Loves you.
I want to go take a picture in front of the Ripley's building.
Oh yeah, do it. Do it. Gin and Coke, do it. I don't think I've ever been in this one.
It's cool, man.
Cool. F you, phone.
Did it freeze again?
God, yes, I hate this thing.
This is the only fun time to ever be on iDrive. It's whenever we're exploring.
Yeah. All right, brother. Good luck. May the motorcycle gods be with us. Jumping onto Tourist Central USA.
You want to try that other parking garage, or I don't even know if it's open yet?
I mean, it's right there. We can see. I don't think it's open either, though.
No. It's so hot.
Hot flavored Cheetos. Sometimes I feel like a hot Cheeto. It's really warm here on iDrive in Orlando. Yo, I can feel like the sweat on my arms just getting sucked up by these things.
And then once you get moving again, it freaking feels so good.
Right.
Turn it in here, just keep going, or
Oh, is that where you get in?
by the Harley place, but it doesn't look like it's open yet.
Yeah, we can turn it and bust a Yui. Dude, it's so funny. We came into this Harley dealership or Harley store one time, and the guy was like, "Hey man, this might sound weird, but are you Blockhead?" I was like, "Yeah." He's like, "Your voice sounded so familiar." I mean, we could totally squeeze through there, but you know. Come on, Reece. You're supposed to be the voice of non-reason.
Oh.
The devil on my shoulder.
I mean.
Where do you want to go to the, what is it? The, convention center?
That works. Your blinker's still on.
Damn it! Terrible about that thing.
Because you're spoiled with the Harley.
That's right. But there's never any Harley videos. I don't get it. Red Robin.
Yep.
Dude, they weren't even up there very long, man. I wonder how much that cost.
No. It's probably expensive.
Dude, you ever been to this place, Brick House?
Nope.
Pretty good.
Have you?
Yeah. We went there for Javi's birthday.
Oh, okay.
A while back. What? I didn't know there was a mini golf course right here.
Pirates Cove.
Hell yeah. And a Cece's Pizza? Oh, with the Rosin Inn. You know where all the British people stay whenever they come to visit Orlando. The Rosin.
How many of them can I get to look?
How many looked? Like all of them?
I didn't even pay attention. It's a pirate, dude. There's a pirate.
Oh my god.
Arr, matey.
What's a pirate's favorite letter?
Arr.
You would think that. 'Tis the sea they love. Oh, look. Indoor skydiving right there. Man, I haven't seen a majority of this shit. Alright, Orange County Convention Center. Here we is. Sneaking one of these parking lots. Dude, so did you see this from the parking garage?
Oh yeah, yeah, with the big arches.
Dude, it's huge. It's crazy how big the convention center here is. Actually, I think at one point it was the biggest in the United States.
Really?
Yeah.
In little old Orlando.
Little old Orlando? Yeah.
Well, I guess Orlando's really not that little, but...
Yeah. Alright, no idea where we're going. Said there was some kind of convention in here. Oh, cops. Speed limit, 25. Abide. The dude abides. Speed humps.
Jump the speed hump. Wah.
Hey, you're going the wrong way, sir. Ossifer. Employee parking only. Ooh, they got laser beams in there.
Ooh.
Speed jump. There we go. There's a huge parking lot I'm looking for. It says do not stop, but there's no spikes in the little things. Wonder if there's people at the little gates.
$25, no large vehicle, no re-entry. Is there people in there? Can't tell.
No.
Nope. Okay.
Nope.
What is that bridge to?
Where? Oh, that one?
Yeah.
I don't know. If there isn't a cop in this car, we can find out. Nope. No cop. You want to find out?
Sure.
Look, a motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
It's probably like an employee access road.
Hey, oh well.
You're fired. Dude, this place is massive.
Should try going to the other side of the road with it.
Right? Oh, good.
Oh, I know where this is. Okay. We're on the road that leads over to Turkey Lake. If we go right, it takes us to Turkey Lake.
Oh,
this
okay.
is Waterwood or Watersome or something like that.
Yeah, and if you go left, it takes you to SeaWorld.
SeaWorld.
Right.
Yep.
Well, cool. That worked out, I guess. Little
Yeah,
shortcut.
that worked out great. Ooh, there's a big open field right back there with a trail.
Yeah.
Let's turn around. Let's try. Over here. Over other side. Other side.
All right.
Got a U-turn.
All right. I gotta wait for cars to go by.
Okay. See it right there between the tree line?
Oh yeah. That's why mini bikes are awesome. It's like, oh, trail. Let's go see what's down it. Oh. It's funny. Just at the convention center, now we're like in the middle of a field. Dude, what in the world?
Where are we going?
Oh shit. Oh,
Muddy. You good back there?
muddy. It's like all the vines. Yeah. I don't want the vines to like catch my my brake.
Oh, the chain or something. Yeah.
Dude, what the hell is this back here, man? A lot of marked off shit. Maybe they're planning on building some shit back here.
Maybe like a big ass hotel or something. Oh God! There's another little pathway back there.
Let's try it out.
Oh God. Yeah, we're not trying that.
No?
That's nothing but freaking palm fronds back there. Come here and look at it.
Oh yeah. Jesus. No. Dude, what made that trail?
I have no idea.
They might have needed to clear it to do surveying. I bet that was it.
Yeah.
Because I mean, it's a clear line right there.
And this is a brush line here for like brush fires.
Yeah.
Go to the far left.
You see another trail over there? Oh look,
Yeah.
concrete. Weird.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, look. Check it out. I bet you. Oh. I bet you anything these two line up from right here. Yep.
Yep, that's what it was. Just the line going down.
Yeah, so they did surveying. So there's a line straight through there, a line to the right, and a line to the left. And then look, there's like manhole covers or some shit right here too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, there's manhole covers right here. Or some kind of something.
Old ass manhole covers. That goes straight to I-4.
We good? Yeah, we good. I think that's it, man. It's a dead end.
Yep.
Back out to the main road. Oh, damn, sir. All in ass, say this shit.
Wah, wah. Woohoo! Made it.
Dude, some of those vines get thick, don't they?
Yeah. Oh, you're dragging a big ass vine.
Am I? Get that bitch up.
Oh my God.
I told you they got thick. Jesus Christ. I caught me a Grom. That's funny. Man, I knew I felt one of them yank me back pretty hard. I almost ate it.
What'd you do, hit neutral?
No, I started drifting to the left and I hit the really soft part. So I like pulled my clutch in, but I was like holding on to my bars and I revved it out. Whoops. It's funniest, man. You gotta like keep your eye out for trails and shit on the road.
Yeah, just real quick. You gotta hurry up and stop and go to them. If we go to the left, we're at Seaward. If we go to the right, we're at Turkey Lake.
Not I-4.
No.
Take it right. Bye-bye.
So do we want to go left or right?
If we go left, we go to Disney. If we go right, we go back to Dr. Phillips.
Oh, okay.
Breakfast buffet!
Breakfast! Breakfast!
Oh, this one. Let's see what's down here.
No.
It goes into something. Oh, bam. Perfect. Dude, how did I just magically choose the right one?
Nice.
Oh.
This looks like an old golf course.
Oh, shit. We got shopping carts back here.
Got a whole little pathway.
Right?